skin place. Meso Matrix and Meso Heal boosts collagen regeneration. Meso Matrix promotes natural collagen and elastin production, helping to reduce fine lines and improve skin firmness and elasticity. Accelerates skin healing and recovery. Meso Heal works synergistically to soothe the skin post-treatment, speeding up recovery and reducing redness, swelling, or irritation. Improves skin texture and tone. This combination treatment smoothens rough texture, fades pigmentation, and refines pores for a more radiant, even-toned complexion. Hydrates and nourishes deeply. Infused with potent active ingredients, both Meso Matrix and Meso Heal provide deep hydration and nourishment for dry, tired, or aging skin.